Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and Technique robotics. This video is focused on my ESP32, right here, in combination with a servo motor supported by Technique, not really robotics, and some electronic devices, among which 7-segment displays. Last time I ended with 2 displays working after another, not at the same time, unfortunately, and for some reason the wires came off. So the first thing I have to do is reconnecting the wires, and why they came off I have no idea. Fortunately, in the schematics I have everything noted or written down, so that's the first thing I have to do, unfortunately. After that I will try to get them work at the same time, because the purpose is, with the angles of this servo motor displayed in here, and they are not single digits, they are double digits, so that's a challenge. Anyway, let's get started with rewiring. And before I forget, if you watch this just via YouTube, you can watch about 7 or 6 minutes, while paying members Tier 2 and Bronze via either Patreon or Ko-fi can watch the full video. Please see in the description box under this video. So, with the screencast go on, I have, of course, obviously, the 7-segment displays in view, also the schematics, which tells me that one segment C is connected to pin 4, segment D connected to pin 2, etc., etc. Looking then, and I need a magnifying glass, P4, port 4 is connected, and then I have to do P2, which is almost adjacent, and that one is not connected because this small wire is not in its place. And then you can see that one segment is already flashing a bit. And then that is a solution. So that is P2 being fixed. Then which ones do we have also? P7, P6, P10, and those are also on the other side. So where are these two going anyway? And therefore I have to look at the schematics that I made earlier, which is this one with the pins and what they're for, so that I can see that here E1, 2 and 3, or E, D and ground are not connected. Question is, where do they lead to? And that's a big question with respect to these pins. Rewiring done. Reprogramming not quite done. But some things do work, although not entirely as intended. And somehow, well, the resistors are playing their part. I have to do a few things. programming wise. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Keep in mind that paying members can watch the whole video instead of just 6 minutes. And the whole video will be about an hour this time. So, do you want to support? Please become a paying member via Patreon or Ko-fi, or buy me a coffee via ko-fi.com, or support via PayPal. Everything is in the description box under the video. Thank you for being a member, listed on the special page on my website. And this is obviously going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.